thanks for watching. So in today's video we're opening up the September Good Vibes Scribe box. I feel like I just opened the August box. I got that a little late because of issue with the Postal Service, but I wanted to get this video up because you have until the end of August, so August 31st, to order this exact box. So I wanted to give you guys a chance to check it out and see if you wanted to order it or not. And this is a special box, so they're celebrating 1 year of being a subscription box company, so happy birthday Good Vibes Scribe. And the theme is supposed to be founder favorite, so the founder of the box put together their favorite items. So this is a lifestyle subscription, and the whole idea of it is to send good vibes your way. They feature items from small businesses, which I fully support and love, and it is always so great and ultimately leaves me with good vibes and yeah, feeling positive. So I will link Good Vibes Scribe down below. They also provided a promo code. If you do order, you can get a free gift using that. So again, all of that will be in the description. This does cost $45 a month. And this is what the box looks like. Super cute and fun every single month. Before we get started, just really quick, want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I open subscription boxes every single day here on our channel, so if you love subscription boxes like I do, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We actually have a giveaway going on right now for 10,000 subscribers. It's a big thank you to you guys for all your support. So that will be linked at the end of this video. The giveaway video will, in case you have not yet seen that and entered. But let's get Good Vibes Scribe open. Now you can customize this box. You can become a premium member and pay $5 more a month, or if you prepay for like 6 or 12 months at a time, you can customize as well. Just open it up. This is what it looks like. Not much of a sneak peek. So September 2020 Founders Favorites Edition. Every company and product has a story. We have hand selected 5 of our favorite products that we've featured over the last 12 months. Enjoy. And then the inside, it talks about the items and the companies from where they came. And let's get the first item out. Oh my god, yeah, I remember this company. So this is Pinch Me. I think I have one on my desk actually that I received in a box, but this is therapy dough, and this is in the scent spice. So it's kind of like a stress ball, but it's dough and you like just need it in your hand. So I just did my nail. Let's see if I can get this safety seal off, because spice, when I heard or when I read that, I was like pumpkin spice, or what kind of spice? So this one you could have gotten a variety of options. It looks like there's pretty much a variation for every item in the box. So you could have gotten it in spice, surf, or chill. So that is what it looks like. So the Pinch Me creator is actually a clinical hypnotherapist. Isn't that cool? Oh, it smells good. It smells like, smells like fall, which is perfect for September. Nice. And this stuff, I think we could all use a little stress relief, and I think that is perfect to feature in this box. But let's move on to the next item. Oh, nice. We have some jewelry. This is by Green Tree Jewelry, made in the USA. Some earrings. And this is a variation item. You could have received it in black, which we got, in cinnamon, or lemon yellow. These are super cute. These are made from certified sustainable wood and 90% recycled cards. Oh yeah, the writing on here is kind of blurry, and at first I thought it was my vision, but I could read this fine, so phew. Let's move on to the next item. This is Rinse Bath & Body Co. Pink Body Spread Moisturizer. So this is shea butter blended with oils of olive and apricot kernel, 93% natural, vegan friendly. And you could have received this, well, we got pink. I don't know exactly what the scent is yet. Blue Hawaiian or pomegranate. And there is a safety seal on it. Oh, it smells good. Let's see, does it describe the fragrance anywhere? But I love getting moisturizers. I use them every day. This one smells so good. Kind of like vanilla. And on here it says thicker than a lotion, not as thick as a cream, all over moisturizer. So pink, okay good, they do describe it. So pink is very warm and decadent, holding sweet notes of vanilla, carried with a warm buttery scent. It's almost good enough to eat. Yeah, it smells great. I'm glad I got this fragrance. Oh nice, we have a little like block for home decor and it says "Girl, you've got this" on here. And this is by Second Nature by hand, and it is 6.25 inches by 3 inches. And there are 3 different options you could have received. This one, and then What a Beautiful Day, or You Are Exactly Where You Need to Be. I like this one I got. I'm liking all of the options I got, but I mean everything they're showing in here does look great, but girl, you've got this. I could use this reminder sometimes. Is this a candle? Yay! It looks like our last item is a candle, and I love candles. Cute packaging too, and this is by Melton Candle Company, and the fragrance is Pecan, Pumpkin, and Waffles. So the fragrance notes are butter, vanilla, and maple syrup. It's soy wax made with cotton wicks, and isn't the labeling so cute? Oh my god, I cannot wait to sniff this. So you could have gotten in this or Macintosh apple. Oh, I'm so happy with all of the things I got. Oh my god, I could seriously eat this. It smells so good, so fall too. Oh, I'm so ready for fall. I was just looking at the weather, like here in Florida, it's like 90 something, but it just feels like 109. I'm like, I would just love to feel what like 70 feels like, or whatever, anything cooler than 100 degrees. But yeah, fall, at least I can like partake in the scents and stuff like that. You guys, I think this was a great box. I loved everything I received. I think the candle is my favorite though. You guys just let me know what your favorite is. And again, if you subscribe and use that code, you'll get 6 items, and you have until the end of the month, so just a few more days to order this box exactly. If you order after that, then you will get the October box. It's crazy. But that is everything for today, guys. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. Happy birthday, Good Vibes Scribe. Thanks again for providing this box for me to review, and also for providing a promo code for everyone. I think that is awesome and super helpful. We love promo codes and saving money here on this channel. And thank you to my channel members. Your support means so much to me. If you guys are interested in learning more about channel membership, there's always a link down below. You can check it out and learn the perks. So one of the perks for one of the tiers is members only live stream, which I'm actually doing a live stream later tonight with the members. I'm super excited. So yeah, but even if you can't join, I know times are hard, just thank you for being here and watching. I truly appreciate it. I am feeling good. I hope this unboxing is making you feel some good vibes as well. Anyways, stay safe, stay healthy. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!